Hi, this is Trade to Success University Module 4 Overview. Here I'm going to briefly go over what we're going to cover in Module 4. Okay, so here in Module 4 we're going to put everything we've learned in Module 3 together. This is something that has to be done every time we put on a trade, so we have to practice this. This whole process is called trade management. I'm going to show you how we combine all of the Module 3 components, and we're going to learn why it is so important to have all the trade management components in place. Then we will have a very important trade management test. We need to make sure you can correctly put all the trade management components together to ensure you are properly managing your trades when you put them on. Without this being done right, you will not be able to trade the forex successfully. So make sure you complete this section and thoroughly go through the answers. We are then going to look at the trade to success strategies. We're going to look at some of the powerful ways our strategies allow us to take advantage of the forex and make a great deal of money from it. This is the exciting part of the training, and I'll give you a little taster of what's to come in the following modules here. So that's the overview of Module 4. After this, you are ready to be introduced and shown our trade to success power strategies. I would just like to congratulate you on completing the training so far. You are learning probably one of the most powerful things you will ever come across. Forex trading can change your life as long as you carry out this training correctly. So well done for being here right now. You've shown that you're really serious about wanting to make money from home, and it's people like you that will actually succeed in becoming financially free. It's just about doing what you are shown. Simple as that. So let's get straight into it now. Go to the next page where we will start Module 4. This is Kumar for Trade to Success University, and I'll see you in the next video.